I said hello and welcome back. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Some boxed high density discs. No idea what that is. Old, really old. 5¼ discs, I think they are called for. More Amiga discs. Oh, sorry. I don't know. I didn't watch on my cell phone if I got the picture right, but I hope so. Something. Ew. Something. There too. All everything. Not anymore a magazine disc. Schoolwork? Yeah. It was a long time ago I went to school. Today I am 41 and in May I will be 43. I mean. So I'm old. What's this? I don't know. Can be Amiga discs, but I don't know. What's this? Okay. Garfield. What's this? Indiana Jones, disc 4. Sword of Sudan. Maybe. XXX. Maybe. No, I don't know. What's this? Nord or Syd, a game to Amiga, I think. And this is hard to read. The Secret of Monkey Island, or is it disc 1? I don't know. Karate, oops, Toki, whatever it is. F-19, Stealth Fighter, not Street Fighter. Oh, I remember this. Tycoon, choose and play, own game. Oh no. We are very sorry about this disc. Something, I don't know what that says. We are very sorry for the disc. APP, Amiga disc, I think. Amiga disc, my disc. Zool for the Amiga, and the door is broken. Yeah, the door is broken. Tetris. And this English stuff. Okay, back to the box. Discs. What's these? Oh, these are those. Oh, I have a disk drive for those somewhere, but maybe that computer can handle those. Anyway, anybody of you know if I can use to back up my old floppy disks, those with a modern computer? I don't know by myself. This here. Disk here. Okay. Nothing here. I put these discs upside down, or labels. These should be here. These should be on the other side to block the right protection thing. Okay, nothing interesting here. Okay, I think we are done now with this series. What's this? Colored discs. I think I take home these and those, and maybe those. I don't know yet. Sorry. So now when we are done here, let's put back these discs here. And also, I don't have much game or what do you call those for? Software discs. At least not for PC. These are junk. I don't know. Sorry about this ugly mess. Oh well, let's fill the 10 minutes with nonsense. Come. Let's take that with me. Kerbal Space Program. How many? Oh, it was these. Remember this game? Can I zoom in? Like this? Like this? Yes, I can. Do you remember this game? Kerbal Space Program. I do remember this. Anyway, I'm wasting your time. Thanks for watching, and please, I don't make videos that much anymore as I used to, because I have a girlfriend nowadays, and I had before too, but she was an idiot, so we broke up. But yeah, classical music. Anyone wants a bookshelf? This one? I'm wasting your time. Thanks for watching.